All right, so today I want to show you this really awesome set of dash LED lights. So this is for all those first responders out there that really want to make their car stand out, or if you're responding in your personal vehicle, this is perfect for that. So these are actually super awesome. So it comes with two, so you can put these in the front or the rear dash, and they are tethered together, so you'll actually see that. It does come with the suction cups, and it has 4 suction cups per bar, so you can actually mount both of these bars in with the 4 different suction cups. Right now I just have the 2 in there to show you guys, but it also does have an additional double-sided sticky that you can actually put underneath your suction cup if you're more of a permanent mounting this setup. That way it'll adhere quite a bit better. So this does hook up with a 12-volt cigarette plug, and it does have an on-off switch right here, and I'll show you this here in a little bit when I go ahead and plug this in. And then it does have a control module for it, so it gives you plenty of extra cord, and then the control module. So when you look at the control module itself, you'll see it has your power, it has random patterns, so this has 26 different patterns of lights that I'll show you guys, and then you can actually make it go left to right for directional arrows. So on the back side of here, it does have a piece of double-sided sticky tape with a mount that you can actually slide in there and mount onto your dash or wherever you want to have it sitting, so that way you can control different patterns on your light bar. What's really nice about this also is that this green line is actually going to light up and show you what your LED light bar is actually going to be doing, and what patterns it's actually going to show. And then it'll have a digital display of what number pattern you're on right here. So overall, really excited about getting these hooked up and showing you guys just how bright these things are, especially in your dash, to really help you be noticed, whether you're, as I mentioned, a first responder out making runs in your POV, or you're looking to purchase this for an additional apparatus that you're riding in, or a vehicle. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these up on the top here, and it's simply just going to come up as high on that windshield as you can get it, and it's just going to suction cup up there like that. And then on the side here, you can actually adjust and control, so that way you don't get a lot of flashback back onto your vision when you're driving. So that's one of them. And then I'll go ahead and I'll set the other one up here as well. Up high on the dash. And as I mentioned, right now I only have 2 suction cups, but I'm going to go ahead and install the other 2 on there here shortly. And then I will actually tuck this up into the headliner and clean this up once this is all installed, and make that look nice and aesthetic. So then I have my adapter cord here, so I'll go ahead and I'll plug that in, and then can turn on the actual lights themselves. And when you turn it on, you'll actually see your power button will kick on, and it'll start showing you different patterns that you have going on the actual lights themselves. So, all right, so guys, so you can see on the front of the car here, these lights are fairly non-noticeable, which is pretty nice. But then you can go ahead, and when I said you go power it on, it'll actually give you, if you want to go to the left or to the right, it's going to give you that option, or it'll give you like a middle to signal to get out of the middle. You can customize some different patterns, and then you can actually go into your pattern. So this is going to be the first pattern here, and if you touch pattern again on your control box, it's going to go ahead and run you through the 26 different patterns. So left, right, faster, either direction. Give you a nice like wig wag there, and I'll just run through these patterns for you just to show you guys the different patterns. So as you can see, these things are really bright, and these are really going to light up and let everybody know that you're behind them or coming up on them, and this is really going to help. Overall, check a set of them out for yourself, as I mentioned, it has a really nice control box. You can actually control it and do whatever you want. And the nice part is you can see the little LED light bar down here matching up with exactly what that light bar is doing. Obviously this is going to be reversed to that because you're going to be looking at it from inside the car. So overall, pretty excited about getting these things and having these things run for first responding to any emergency detail.